going to be cleaning the computer. Today I will show you how to clean it. But it's a little too high, but I can just... That's enough. Okay, so now the first thing we're going to clean is the keyboard. So the first thing we have to do is use this to clean the keyboard. Which we gotta do a little bit like this. Yeah, this is how you clean the keyboard. You have to just clean the like this, because if you use a wipe, you will keep pressing keys. So that's how this is how you clean the keyboard. And careful not to press the keys. I pressed one by accident. So that's how we clean the keyboard. See, and so you can see it collected some of the dust in the keyboard. So the next thing, we're going to need to clean the screen. But the first thing we have to do to clean the screen, the entire monitor, which we have to unplug it. Come on, it's stuck. There. We have to unplug the computer before we clean this monitor. Well, it will on because of there's a battery. And I need to take one. So this is how we clean the monitor. So that I can fold this first. I have to just wipe my screen. The first thing you have to do is also just you have to unplug it before you clean the screen, because if you don't, then you might get electrocuted. And you know what electrocuted will do to you. It will hurt a lot. So, and you don't like, most people don't like getting electrocuted or ground, because on the ground on my computer it keeps on shocking me while it is charging. Every time I put my hand here, it will zap me. Which I hate that. Literally hate that. This is what you have to do. And if you're done cleaning the screen, now we're going to clean the mouse. So this is what we're using. And we have to close this. I forgot to close it. This is what we use. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is clean the mouse. So the way to clean the mouse is to unplug this. See, we unplug the wire. I cannot control it anymore. So the way to clean the mouse is to just unplug it. Then you have to wipe it. Which we have to use this. The one we use to clean the monitor. But to clean it, mouse, and also do not on it and just wait for all of this to dry. Until it all dries, you can on it now, because if you don't follow this step and if you on it while it's still wet, you're doomed. The mouse won't work yet when it's wet, and this is a wet towel wipes. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you again next time on my next videos. See ya!